Hey guys, Steve here. I just wanted to make a quick video about a new system that's just hit the affiliate marketing community like wildfire. Basically, it reveals the secret to getting paid $100 over and over and over again without speaking to anyone. This new affiliate program, or this new biz opportunity, is called Textbot AI. So basically, our AI SMS, which is just a sending message system. I don't know if that's right. I just made that up, kind of. AI, yeah, SMS sounds right. Sending message system. Chatbot will pay you $100 over and over again. This is the page that everyone gets that you promote. It has a little description. Jeff Long here, he described what goes on in and how you can get someone to send you $100 and over and over and over again. Now, this is a legit business. It's not any kind of scam scheme or in between. It's legit, and you can use this particular platform to promote other opportunities. So you can get paid over and over and over again. So this is a second presentation page. This is a third party that I kind of hijacked. Not hijacked, but borrowed or whatever, just using it for my video. You get paid over and over again and getting others to call a phone number. Here's some description. Work smarter, not harder. Just share your number and let Ava do the work. What can Ava do for you? Automatically answer incoming calls, generate hot qualified leads for your business, automatically answer questions via text, automatically follow up with leads via text message. She gives you your time back and helps you make more money. How does she give you your time back? That's because she's a robot. She don't got no family. She ain't got no friends. Her job is to make you money. But you can call this number and talk to her if you want. Holler at her, see what she got to say, and you can get a demo of the system. So anyway, I get sidetracked. So here's a little picture of some proof here from looks like the Facebook group. Collect $100 instant commissions. Like I said, it's a one-time $100 payment that you buy the system with, and then you pay $10 in order to put 1,000 minutes or nine. I think it's 1,000 minutes, or it might be 1,000 minutes. What's a penny a minute? Yeah, you get it's 1,000 texts. So with $10, you get 1,000 texts. It costs $1 to buy the number, so basically you get 900 texts back and forth. So which lasts a long time. Depends on how much you're promoting it, I guess. So anyway, the lead gets the number. They call. They meet Ava. Like I said, Ava works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days out of the year. She don't take no vacation, no birthdays, no holidays, no nothing. So she's all about making you money, and she enjoys that. So call her, talk to her, and see what she could do for you. You know what I'm saying? So Ava qualifies each of your callers via text message instantly and automatically. She answers your calls, questions. She directs all your sales, so you don't have to talk to anyone. And that takes me back to this. Without speaking to anyone, right? How good is that? You don't have to feel the rejection if somebody says no, for people who don't like hearing the word no, But this walks you through 10 steps of making money with your phone. Like I said, it's joint for one-time $100 payment and $10 for the purchase of your credits and the phone number. So that's basically this. Let's go through these frequently asked questions. What is the compensation plan? Our compensation plan is a simple reverse one-up. You get paid on your first sale before passing up your second sale to your sponsor. Everyone passes up their second sale to their sponsor, to the person who invited them, thus creating the ability for leveraged income. Once you have passed up your second sale, you are fully qualified to start receiving $100 direct payments from each lead number you sell. So you sell a number for $100, and you get to keep that $100. It talks about the money back guarantee. It says that's between you and your inviter. You pay the inviter $100. That's between you and him. I think that's an easy way of saying no, there ain't no guarantee like that. Because I don't know. It depends on who the person is. This last question here pertains to this particular presentation page. But like I said, here's the official one that comes with the system. That's a third-party one that helps you promote it. Let me show you briefly this one here. This is a new presentation page that was presented by the company today. It's nice and clean. You see how it has the robot touching. It's like that art painting with God touching his finger down from heaven to the man on the ground or whatever. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's high techy, you know. Again, this is the newest presentation page, which everyone will get along with the system. So you'll get 2 pages and 2 promotion pages and a phone number, you know. Okay, and training, obviously. So this is a presentation video. You generate the leads, close the sales. You can make $100 to $500 connecting Ava. Here's the CEO once again, Jeff Long. You know, he's in the Facebook group, and that's something else I will mention. Here are the number of leads that have been generated since the start of this. The company has already paid over $1 million to the resellers, right? So there's 34,775 resellers. Let's see, and here's where you sign up and register. I'll put the links in the description box below. I'll put them down there so you can check them out. So that's the newest one. Here's the old one. I'll put this down there as well. Here is a tool you can use for promotion. It's a let me show you a picture. It's these drop cards. They're little cards. They look like $100 bills, and on the back they have your phone number, and you just leave them around town, leave them places as part of your promotion. Also, you can get a flyer for $1. I'll show you that in a different video, but that's what this drop card is. Now, this is a page I set up using the Power Lead system, but it'll be in the description below. You can sign up. This is to get 100 free drop card promotion. You sign up through me, I can get you 100 drop cards for free. It's for a limited time only. All you pay is, I think, $5 for shipping, but you get 100 of those cards that you can start promoting your business. But I'll leave this in the description box below as well. Also, let me show you a capture page. This is another capture page that they have, not Textbot AI, but a third party. I'll leave that in the description box below as well, so you can check it out. Here's a capture page, like I said, that I created in the Power Lead system, which I'll make another video and show you how I did that. But yeah, I set that up, and let me show you. I showed you the drop card. Let me show you the Facebook group. Facebook group right here. Here's a picture, or here's the back office of the private group here. And let me start at the top. Let's refresh and see what, let me show you what's going on in here. It's Jeff Long. See, he makes, you know how the internet is. The wind blow and it slow down, especially when you live. So it's refreshing. But anyway, while it's refreshing, you'll get training. I'll train you. Sign up with me. I'll help you set up the system if needed. Mr. Rich here, he made $3,100 already. This is the group. Now, mind you, nobody's bragging or boasting. It's all inspirational kind of thing. Everybody's showing their success because this is not fake. Everybody's showing their success to inspire each other. Like I said, you're around like-minded individuals. You show me your friends, I show you who you are. I think that's how the saying goes. You're around positive people. So these people are just showing their success, trying to inspire you to go get it. And here's Jeff Long, the CEO. He's in the group. He's interacting with the group. Everybody's everybody's a cheerful giver. You know what I mean? So, they're welcoming people into the group. People are having success with it. I suggest you get in. There's plenty of training in the Facebook group. And also, if you sign up with me, I'll help you out. I'll help you make displays like this. I'll show you the tools. If you need help, I can help you walk through it. This guy right here, Alex Bailey, shout out to him. He made $4,700 in 37 days, which is impressive. Then you have people congratulating people for joining, for coming in. Like, people are coming in daily. Let's see. Let me see. But it's just a brief. Another $1,043. This guy right here, boom, he blew it up. He made 30 grand in 4 months, and his next goal is 50. You know what I'm saying? That is impressive, and that's just a success story to show that this is a home business, and you can actually make money in this business, and you don't have to hold any product at home. You know what I mean? You own you own the merchandise already, and all you need to do is resell it. That's what is so great about the 21st century, man. You don't have to hold nothing. You can just, man, resell systems. Man, it's just amazing. But anyway, that's inspirational right there. And let me show you here. There's approximately 2,476 people in the group. Imagine if everybody who was a reseller joined. But anyway, so that's the Facebook group. Let's go back to here. Let's log in real quick. Let me see my time. I got a little bit. I'll show you the back office. Like I said, I'm new, so I'm just going out. But I did spend, because I'm OCD, some time just trying to get the system set up. Just because I had to figure out all the ins and outs. So this is my minute balance, and I got basically 1,700 some text that I can use. Here's what your back office looks like. Check pending payments. This is when you have a payment in the back office. Here's the 2 links I was telling about. This is the newer link, and here's the old one. This shows you how many clicks I ran, or how many impressions I had on the page so far. This is how many signups. I had 8. Like I said, you have 1 pending payment here, but I'm not going to click that. Here's the phone number that you get. And of course, once I click the pending payment, whatever that payment is, it'll be a surprise. It'll pop up down here. So then that'll be a first sale. But this is the notification that you get. Here is your chat area. I won't click there because I don't feel like blurring out nothing, but these are your other options. Here's your resellers. There's a link to the Facebook group. Here's your links. Here's your pending payments again, your commission history. It shows your team. It shows your leverage line. That means whoever's paid and whoever owns their second sale. Then you have the get help, and if you click training, you have, I'll show you that. Google Chrome it be tripping, right? Google Chrome is, I gotta upgrade to Firefox or something. But anyway, you get training videos, and this is a good video. This is inspirational from C-Town. Other videos, testimonials. But once you get in the back office, you'll see these are the minutes you could purchase. $10. For $10, you can get $20 worth of minutes, which is a good deal when you first sign up. So I suggest take it. Has walkthrough on setup, other inspirational videos. Your resources, I'll go here real quick. My time is dwindling. So you get promo videos that you can use. You have email swipe copies that you can email your list, solo ad copy, and other social media posts. So that's the rundown real quick. Let's go to the profile. Probably got like 2 minutes left on my timer, or a minute, but okay. So anyway, so here's where you set up your payments. This is where you put your primary business right here. Actually right here, if you put, what I do here is I put a rotator, and I rotate a couple businesses in there. So I put a rotator here so that Ava sends out one link, and it rotates between 2 different businesses, and they're both good businesses. They both pay 100% commission. So I love that. So either they're gonna get the Ava link, or they're gonna get my other biz opportunity. So, but anyway, that's all I wanted to do, is just give you an overview and try to stay within the time that I got, so I can still upload this to YouTube. Once again, I'm putting a plug in for the Power Lead system, because this is the system that allows me to create, simple lead capture pages. All you need is a simple page. It doesn't have to be fancy, that you drive traffic to The key is that you collect their email address so that you can follow up with them. So, get into business. Like I said, I'll provide training. I'll leave some links in the description box below. Also give you a free book on what to do with drop cards. And also I will give you a free marketing system that you can use to help build your email list. But that's all I got for now. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out, and I'm out.